Hey guys, how you doing today? Just starting off the day. Been up late, cleaned up in here. I know it doesn't look like it, I'm sure, but getting there. Found some other cool stuff for resale. Boxes of stuff from old estate sales, garage sales, rummage meets, swap meets, you name it. Got a big bag on the floor full of packages going to the post office. Go hit the bank and check my transfers from PayPal and go ahead and get rid of all that stuff out. I don't know if I have any mail coming in myself. I just want to do some more unboxings, but I don't have anything. I don't think that's here yet. And PFD checks have been announced up here in Alaska. It'll be like $1,600. So my day job will be, we'll see how it goes. Sometimes people having a lot of money at one shot is not a good idea. We'll see. I was going to shave today, but you know, I should trim the eyebrows. Could do an eyebrow trimming tutorial. Get that Gandalf look going, or looks like a barn owl kind of. That's about it, man. It's not raining right now. I did swap out the tires yesterday. I did a quick video on that. That didn't go real good. One of the nuts, the nut cap split on it. And I've had little nut caps off the acorns come off in a car wash, and I think it was interesting to take off. Anyways, leave the post office. We're going to head out the store here. And down here at the post office, here's my receipt. And I think we'll run over to Walmart and pick up a few other items after that. I got one box in at my regular post office, but it's just eBay shipping stuff. No reason to unbox it that unless you really want to. Leave a comment if you want me to do that. Hey guys, here we're going into the post office, the other post office, the one where I got a P.O. box at. Let's see if there's anything in the mailbox. I think it's just some eBay supplies though. Diet, everything looks good. Especially stuff like that, at least for me. And then we got this, we have 2 bags, and we have the hot chicken wings here, we have refrigerated wings there. One of those banded gazelle foods. There's a screenshot. Food. So you guys, did you ever wonder about the level of weird graffiti you guys see on these things? And it's just a quick screenshot, y'all, for here, we'll see the cars here. Quick ride. It's actually hard to eat. It's good bad. It has a strange burnt grease taste, like a burned grease taste inside. I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. I have a sip of coffee, I guess. Yeah. We got little computer screens. And we're looking at the old cameras again. Those are HPs. And here we're looking for packaging items. Looked at cameras, looked at the new iPad Pro. That is. Guys, here we are. We're about a single roll for $6.86. It will last me quite a while, actually. I could do the 4 roll for $16.97. I like the ones that actually has a tape gun in it, just because, I don't know. You know what? So obviously the better deal. I guess I'll just go for this one. What do you guys think? Yes, I had to get help to find the bottle. I tape because I went past the place now. I found back what I have here. So I'm curious about this. Look, this is a $3 bag, $2.92. Isn't that cool? See this? And here we're going to the automotive parts store. Let's check it out. Just love this. Let's go check out the oil and stuff. for the Fiesta. All right, guys. So we scored $39.99 for full advanced 020 and a great filter up to 20,000 miles, which, believe me, I would never leave my oil in that long. But sometimes life happens, and 10,000 miles has happened. Ooh, check out this gross mold here in my car. Anyways, we'll spray all this down with some Lysol later, and it'll be pitching. All right, guys. Here we are at Three Bears, Alaska. And, yep, still raining. Actually, the rain stopped out here. I feel like I got a touch of food poisoning or something from that nasty mayonnaise. The cars. Hope not, though. Be kind of a bummer. 3 times in a row getting sick at the same place. I'm gonna have to stop eating there. It's probably a good idea, actually. That mayonnaise looked kind of odd. So here we are. Inside the store. Use the bathroom, and we got some Krispy Kreme behind us. Yeah, we're doing the oil change. Swap out the wheel. So pop the hood here. Grab the jack and get this going. Here we are, guys. Here's our drain plug, oil rags. So here, guys, got the other tire on. It's swapped out. And the back, oh, look at the way it should. No, not the back, just back here. Hey guys, so going through some storage stuff, cleaning up. I found this pair of old All-Stars, definitely worn on the bottom, smoothing out. These are explicit contents, kind of all black. I'm guessing these are from maybe mid-2000s, somewhere in there. Let's see. Hold on, I should just see if there's a date tag, I guess. Sorry about that, guys. Size 9s. Textile, it says. I don't see a date code on them. The other one I'm kind of interested in was these. Haven't seen these forever at a store. They used to sell these at the grocery store. Around, once again, about 2010 maybe about 9 years ago, 8 years ago, I don't know. It's a combination of the low tops and the high tops stitched in. There's your double tongue, of course. Kind of weird, kind of different. I don't know. I'm going to give these a gentle cleaning with cold water and see if they come back a little bit. Ooh, that one's kind of gross. Definitely not dead stock. Definitely used shoes. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and give those things a gentle washing and see what comes of it. Also, your thoughts on crap protect boxes. It's a mess I found in the stores, for this thing. Head knocker on it. Big old top on there. I found this on sale. I kind of like it because I can put my whole Jordan box in there. I kind of like keeping the boxes because I'm new to this stuff. Originally, I found this box here, stackable individual ones, which I really like, but I've only found this one. It's like they've discontinued it. And of course, what we're trying to avoid is these are eBay boxes and RC parts that I got for sale on the net. Obviously, I want to have uniformity. I need to clean this whole area out. I like to stack these up. I don't know if they can stack well on top of each other. I might have to do little shelves. Give me a note and comment what you think. Hey, look, Becky's in the video. Why don't you keep with her? Oh, Beckles. Give me some food here in a second. So, anyways, got the oil change and stuff. Back inside, it's really dark outside now. It's almost 9 o'clock at night. I'm going to clean this whole room up, make like a studio, set it up for working on RC cars, set up a camera setup and stuff. What I can't sell on eBay, I'm going to have to just toss. I want to go through it because one man's trash is one man's treasure. Like this weird shoe I found, kind of a grandpa's shoe. This is 2005. Generic Nike size 9. I only have the one shoe. I don't know who the other one is. I haven't gone through all the boxes from that particular estate sale. Anyways, life of an eBayer and reseller. And I got my day job too. See, my little microphone I got. Compliments of eBay. Alright, you guys. So please give me a like, subscribe, give me a shout out. David Boyd 664 on Instagram and also on Facebook.